Hey, it's Clay in this video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart. It's just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 23 cents is going to be that newest area of support, but that is still just an ideal level, meaning if the price were to fall below there, by no means does that imply the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above 23, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 23 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of resistance levels, nothing fancy here other than the fact that several times today the price got right up around 25 cents. It can never quite push through. So that'll definitely be the key battleground going into Wednesday. All in all, though, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what this chart has already been doing, and that is this right here. Building higher bases. So if you want to picture those as stair steps, as long as these higher stair steps continue to be put into play, then everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on building those healthy stair steps, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.